Introduce quick overview and highlight features of Shop-Vac 5801611 wet dry vac with SVX2 motor technology, 16-gallon, 1-1/2 inch x 8-foot lock-on hose, 150 cfm, 1 pack. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Getting tired of all the brushing, blowing, dusting and sweeping at the end of your jobs and projects? Whether you are a DIY homeowner or a professional with frequent messes to clean up, this powerful performing wet/dry vac can tackle those tasks for you with increased efficiency when compared to the old manual labor ways. This 16-gallon Shop-Vac vacuum is an essential tool for job sites, remodels, repair projects, workshops, garages and more. It is fully loaded with multiple preferred features, accessories, and vacuum filters and features the SVX2 motor technology, which surpasses Shop-Vac's standard 6.5 peak horsepower motor system. The Shop-Vac 5801611 wet dry vac comes complete with an onboard accessory storage compartment, a 20-foot power cord with onboard cord storage, easy roll casters, and an excellent filtration system for collecting and retaining a mixture of waste and debris particles. Included with this Shop-Vac system is an 8-foot long 2-1/2 inch diameter hose, 2 extension wands, 1 14-inch wet/dry floor nozzle, a crevice tool, an 8-inch utility nozzle and a tool storage basket. Get full power performance when using our high-efficiency disposable filter bags for jobs that require cleaning up fine debris, like drywall dust, cement dust, or cold ashes. These collection bags provide the same convenient installation and removal method as our standard bags, but they accommodate debris outside the scope of general household messes. This vacuum comes equipped with a Type U cartridge filter for general household filtration, and when your messes require wet pickup, a foam sleeve is also included for suctioning up liquids. Do not use a filter bag when picking up liquids. Use this vacuum for all day, all rooms clean up, with any work waste and debris spills as they happen, and at the end of each work day. The features and accessories of this wet-dry vac are geared to handle any type of cleaning mess your tools, machinery, and crew can put out. Other accessories that can be purchased for use with this Shop-Vac include multi-purpose nozzles, concentrator nozzles, blower nozzles, gulper nozzles, crevice tool attachments and many more. Be sure to include additional disposable filter bags and cartridges for wet and dry pickup with your order, and take full advantage of all the features this Shop-Vac has to offer. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.